Hello guys.
Hello guys.
No videos today because it's only just for our information.
Yes.
So when we start YouTube and what is our names for that information we have made this video. So let's start with him.
Yes, my name is Vedant Nagosi. I am from Bhandara. So I am studying in class 10. Okay. My school where is nearby Didi. I will tell afterward. Because in this video we will tell half information but only name intro, because we will tell afterward your full information when our subscriber target will over, then we will tell all information to you. Please like and subscribe it. And my name is Vedant Nagosi. I have told I am in class 10th. I will do NEET after. This is a video we are making this video for your entertainment, and also your many ideas we will give in this video. It is not about decoration, it is also decoration, but anything we can plan it, and we can change also a name of the channel. Don't worry, we will tell to you, and we will make a title for you, and when we will change the when we change the title or anything, we will tell to you. And and click on the bell button to information the notification to you. This is a informative video for our channel, and please like and subscribe it. Now your turn.
Yeah. Okay, hello guys, how are you? Hope you are fine in this COVID-19. So my name is Madhura. Actually my name is not Madhura. My nickname is Pari. So is why you will see PV. So my name is Pari. They will call Pari. So is why we have kept PV. And I study in 4th standard. So of course we don't have much holidays because I live in Karnataka, Kolar. But I am Maharashtrian. We two of them are Maharashtrian. We are not.
Okay, you are not that Karnatakan. She is living in small. She is when she is living in Nagpur in Maharashtra.
When I was small. So my father was working at the Bangalore, so he shifted for Kolar. Then we went near Kolar, and after my I want to do for MBBS. I want to become a doctor. Yes. I hope it will be nice.
Okay, this is a.
We start the video at today only, 18th.
Yeah, 18th November 2020.
So today only we have start videos, and today we have make. So please like and subscribe
it,
and for more videos, please like, subscribe, all you do of us.
If you will give support, okay, like, and it is free of cost. You will give us support, then we will make again more new things videos. Like you will give comment, you write a comment which we have to make, or fatakas videos, or dance videos, or decoration videos, or any plant, or any we have to how to grow plant, how to grow and more mangoes in tree. We will tell all the information to you. Only comment in that comment that I want to this, I want to want this video. Comment it, then we will definitely 2-5 days we will make that video and give to you.
No, we need 1 day. We need 1 day just.
Yeah, 1 day is very difficult, but we have to see. Yeah, 1 day is very good, but we have studies also. Then also you study, but we will support to you. We will give to your. We will give your time to you. We will give time, much time. We will give to you for making these videos. Okay, so please like it. Now we will not tell like that way.
So. All after like, subscribe, you want to write a comment how much you like a videos, and it's for small babies also. We will do some storytellings or rhymes. Sure, we will do it. And don't think that only decoration will come. Dance also it will come for your small brothers. This stories, rhymes, that also we can share for you. And making other things, some good hacks with studies, with books.
Okay, we will meet again.
So meet again at the summer holidays. We are meeting.
Yeah, summer holidays. There is now year of Corona, COVID-19. You are looking in COVID-19, or your videos are looking in COVID-19, or COVID-19 is over. Tell in comment, please tell in comment. This is
And
18
who
November.
has liked for 6 likes?
Yeah.
So please thank you, and
Yeah.
other members please like this video.
And please sorry that video have no sound. Please sorry that video is not sound because
It was
some
a
problem.
mistake.
Yeah, mistake. Why we have DO recorder we have recorded. There is no sound. Please, I will manage and I will edit again video. Then that only video I will send in our channel. So don't worry, we will send that video, and you have to ask again more information to us. So
Write a
please
comment.
comment in downside comment box is there.
Subscribe box.
You have to comment it, and we will look that comments, and we will do this.
So now
Okay.
we are totally in him's house. Actually,
Yeah,
he's not
outside.
my real brother. Actually, my father is there. Them sister's son he is.
Yeah, we are living much different. We are living
We
many
came just to
kilometers
Nagpur.
and thousands of kilometers away. She live in Bangalore, Kolar, and I live in Bhandara, Maharashtra, Nagpur.
So
Yes.
we was we
That's
made
why-
that bird's house and
Yes.
volcano sand. We made it in Nagpur because we have came for Bhandara. Now I am
Yes.
going still,
Yes.
and it's night time. Overly.
Yeah.
Let's go then.
Let's